This Faceless channel is making over $12,000 a month, and they don't show their face. Let me break down exactly how they're doing it. First, the niche. They focus on simple, repeatable content. Things like money, facts, and motivation. Second, the format. Short, fast-paced videos. Nothing complicated. Just clear, engaging content. Third, the system. They use AI to generate scripts, voiceovers, and simple visuals. Then they post consistently. That's it. No overthinking. No perfection. Now here's the key. Once a video performs well, they repeat the format. Same style. Same structure. That's how it scales. Not luck. A system. Follow if you want more breakdowns like this.